Hi guys, my name is Dante de la Cruz Jr. Our topic in this video is about host and virtual machine connection with computerized system installation. Here are the requirements. You need a computer host, virtual machine or virtualization tool, web server, a secured internet connection, and a computerized system. In this video, I will show you how to download and install VirtualBox, how to create virtual machine and install an operating system, how to download and install a web server, how to set up network for virtual machine, how to install a computerized system. First, how to download and install VirtualBox. Now I'm going to show you how to download and install VirtualBox. So first, just go to your browser, open, double click or right click, then click open. Now type and just go to the google.com. Wait till it loads, then type VirtualBox, then press enter. Here you will see the first one. Just left click to open. Then you see this button. Just left click this download button and it will show you these packages. If you are using Windows OS, Mac OS, Linux, so I'm going to pick Windows. Just left click to open and it will automatically start if you don't have a download manager. For mine I have, so you need to pop up like this and I will click start download and you see it's downloading. Now just wait till the download completes. Now just locate your installer, find its folder. Here see, already downloaded twice. Just click and right click, then click open, then click next. Here I'll just leave this as default, then click next. Also with this as default, next, then proceed with installation. Now click yes, install, and wait till it start and complete the installation. Now as you see, it created a shortcut already, and I will just uncheck this because I'm going to use that later. And now you are finished and done with the downloading and installing your VirtualBox. Next is how to create virtual machine and install an operating system. Next, I will show you how to create a virtual machine and install your chosen operating system. Now just go into your VirtualBox, right click, then click open. It will pop up. Here you see I already created one, so I will create new. Just go to the tools and click new. Here I will just put any name. It's your chosen name. I will put Winxy. Go here and click on the XP. You will see the types of OS you can pick, then go to the versions. I'll go with the Windows XP 64-bit, then I'll click next, and here you will see the memory size. I will leave it as a default. Also here at the hard disk, I will leave it as default also, then click create. Here on the hard disk file type, I will choose this VirtualBox disk image and click next. Here storage on physical hard disk and pick dynamic, then click next. Here I will just leave it as default and click create. Now it's already created. Now I'm going to install the operating system. Just go to the settings. Be sure that you clicked here your created virtual machine. Just click the settings. Next, go to the storage. Here at the storage devices, you will see this empty. Just click here. Then go to the right side. You will see this disk icon. Just left click to open. Then go and click on this choose a disk file. If you have already a ISO file of your chosen operating system. So mine, I'm going to use this Windows XP Professional. Left click, just select this, then click open, then click OK. It will go here. You'll see the secondary master, it already popped up or selected. Now I'm just going to click start to start up this machine and wait till it loads. Here this will pop up. Now just click the drop down box, or you can just click this one. So we'll just pick this Windows XP Professional 64-bit, then click start and wait till it loads. Here you will see that just going to press enter to continue, and you will see this licensing agreement. I'm just going to press F8 to agree. Here I will see the unpartitioned space. Just press enter to install. You will see this format the partition using the NTFS file system. Just going to press enter to continue again and wait till it sets up. Now I'm going to press enter to restart this virtual machine, and now it's restarting. Here I will not do a thing and let it boot up. Wait till it sets up and installing devices. next and type my name. Home. And click next, and I'm going to input my product key here. Now I'm going to click next. Here I'm going to type PC as my computer name, and this type of administrator password, I'll just leave this as blank. Here I'm just to leave this as default. Click next and wait till it installs the network. Now I'm just going to click custom settings, then click next and leave this as default, and next, click next, also this as default, click next and wait till it complete the installation. Now it's booting up the device. Just wait till it boots up. Now it's done. You already created your virtual machine and installed your chosen operating system. Next, I will show you how to download and install a web server. Next, I'm going to show you how to download and install a web server. Now just go to your browser again and click on the new tab and go to google.com. Then just type XAMPP, then press enter. Now you see this first one, just left click it to open. See here below, you can choose which installer you are going to use, if you are using Windows, Linux or Mac OS. So I'm going to pick this Windows, left click to open, then it will pop up your download. See, now just going to click and start download and just wait till it's complete downloading. Now just locate the installer. Now as you see, I already moved the installer here folder. I'm just going to double click. We are going to install this installer. Going to minimize them all and wait till the application opens. It will pop up, then just click yes, then click OK, then click next language, I'll let it as English. Click next, then uncheck this one, then click next again, then click next, and wait till it's completely done with the installation. Next is setting up the network of the virtual machine. Now I'm going to show you how to set up the network of your virtual machine. Just simply go to your VirtualBox Manager. Here, now you need to go to the settings, this one, then left click to open, then go to the network, this one, network, left click to select, and go to this attached to, and change this to bridge adapter, then left click to select. Here at the drop box, you need to select one page. This PCI is for cabled and this one is for the wireless, so I'm going to choose wireless, then I'm going to click OK. I'm going to my virtual machine. Now we need to go to the my computer, then left click to select, and right click and just go to the sharing and security, then left click to open. Now you will see this message. You need to click this, and now you need to click this, select this, or click this just enable file sharing, then click OK. Now you need to check this, share this folder on the network, and check this. Then click apply and click OK. Now here you need to go to the start and go find the SMD, type SMD and press OK. Now we need to know the IP address of our virtual machine. Just type ipconfig, and as you see, the IP address of our virtual machine is 10.0.0.64, and now we are going to the host, then search for command prompt or SMD also, press enter to open. Here also just type ipconfig, and as we look down below here in the wireless LAN adapter Wi-Fi, we will see the IP address here of our host, which is this one, 10.0.0.60. Now what we need to do is we need to connect this both. We need to try to ping them, vice versa. We need to type ping, then the IP address of the host here, 10.0.0.60. As I enter, it should reply, the host should reply here, there, as you see, reply now. And we will do this also at the host, type ping, and going to put the IP address of our virtual machine, this one. We'll type 10.0.0.64, press enter, and now we see that they are connected to each other. And last is the installation of a computerized system. Now that we are done setting up the network connection of our virtual machine, I will show you how to install a computerized system to our host machine, and the virtual machine will have an access to it via its network connection. Now first we are going to open the XAMPP Web Server, and we are going to start Apache and MySQL. Click start. Now just minimize this, then we need to locate the system folder, and this is where my system folder location. I'm going to choose this Hostel management system. I'm going to extract this file here, then double click to open, and open this one. It will show you the login details. Then this is the folder of our system. I'm going to move this to the XAMPP folder, and to the htdocs, this one, and paste it here. Now go to your web browser and click new tab, then type localhost /phpMyAdmin, then press enter. Here we need to create a database, so just go to this button, click that databases button, then type the database name, then click create to create. Next we need to import the SQL file from our system folder. We need to go here to the import button, then click on this choose file, and go to the XAMPP and htdocs folder, then open your Hostel or the system folder, double click and find the database here, and allocated the SQL file. Now click select and click open. Next we need to click go, and it will show the database. Done loading. After it's loaded, check for the structure. Okay, it's good. Now click on the new tab. I'm going to type localhost /hostel, then go to press enter. Now as you see, it's loaded the page of the system. As you see here, the user login. Now I'm going to try to log in as user. Here are the account username and password. At the email, I'm going to type test@gmail.com, and at the password, I'm going to type test@123, and I'm going to click login. Now as you see, I'm logged in at the system. Now I'm going to check for the book hotel, room details, access log, And at the dashboard, see we already accessed the system through our host. Now I'm going to log out. Now I'm going to try to admin login. I'm going to type admin and the password of my admin account. Then I'm going to click login, so you can see the admin profile here. Now you know that you can access the admin login also. I'm going to try to access it through our virtual machine. Now just simply I'm going to the browser of our virtual machine. I'm going to open it, click. And now I'm going to click on the address link, and I'm going to type the IP address of our host, as you see here, the command prompt of our host. I'm going to type 10.0.0.60, then slash hostel, and wait for the page to load. As you see, it's already loading. Now it's finished loading, and you see we can also log in as user. Now I'm going to try login as user here at our virtual machine. Now I'm just going to type the email test@gmail.com, and for the password, then I'm going to log in. Then I'm going to check this and click no. Going to click yes, then wait for the page to finish uploading. As you see, it's already loaded, and you can see the output also, same as the host earlier. I'm going to click the see all. Now let's see at my room. Now as I scroll down, you will see the room details. And as you see, we are done accessing the system through our virtual machine using the network. Here are the video project specifications. Thank you for watching.